Here's an example of using the cam vac. We're using it in a well system, so we have an 1.5 inch PVC line running from here all the way over to the building. What we're gonna do is this pipe is dry, we're gonna send our small camera in. This camera could fit around 1.5 inch turns, no problem whatsoever. We're gonna get it in there. Now you could pass a leak in a pipe with a camera 1,000,000 times, but now when you put vacuum pressure on it, you're not gonna miss those leaks because you're gonna be able to draw whatever's around the pipe into the pipe. Take a look, see how we get it done. So we set up our cam vac, and through the cam vac we're gonna get our camera into the pipe. Once we get it in, we're actually looking, but remember, when you're looking at pipe, you could be passing leaks, you don't know. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create vacuum. This pipe is gonna be literally trying to draw in. So it's sealed inside the pipe, there's vacuum going on, and now what we're gonna look for is anything being dragged or pulled into the actual pipe itself. Again, you see all these joints, they're not necessarily leaking, but when you see something actually get drawn into the pipe, here we go. This is it right here. We have actual root penetration into this pipe, and when we control our vacuum like we're gonna do right here, we're gonna open it and close it. We're actually pulling dirty, muddy water, and it's literally pulling itself into the pipe. Then we use our meter on our cam, and it puts us right where we need to be. So again, by being able to put the camera in, and not only with the camera technology see what we have to see, we're able to draw mud or whatever it is around the pipe. Then we use our locator on our camera to know exactly where that camera head is. It's at the side of the leak. Boom, you're on top of it. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.